Hello! You're watching At the Bench with Norgen Biotek. Today, we will be demonstrating the step-by-step workflow for the Plasma Serum Exosome Purification Midi Kit. Catalog number 57500. This kit does not require time-consuming ultracentrifugation, filtration, or special syringes. Precipitation reagents, overnight incubation, and protease treatments are also not required for this procedure. This kit has a versatile sample input ranging from 1 milliliter to 4 milliliters. Purified exosomes are free from any contaminants or RNA-binding proteins. This kit includes a detailed product insert, Slurry E, ExoC Buffer, ExoR Buffer, and mini filter spin columns assembled with 2 milliliter tubes. To 4 milliliters of plasma serum, add 12 milliliters of nuclease-free water, followed by the addition of 300 microliters of ExoC Buffer. Mix Slurry E well prior to use. For optimal performance, ensure that resin is completely resuspended. To the mixture from the previous step, add 400 microliters of Slurry E. Mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds, and let stand at room temperature for 5 minutes. Mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds, then centrifuge for 2 minutes at 2000 RPM. Discard the supernatant. Apply 400 microliters of ExoR Buffer to the slurry pellet, and mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds. Incubate the slurry pellet resuspended in the 400 microliters of ExoR Buffer at room temperature for 10 minutes. After incubation, mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds, then centrifuge for 2 minutes at 500 RPM. Transfer the supernatant to a mini filter spin column assembled with a 2 milliliter tube, and centrifuge for 1 minute at 6000 RPM. Do not discard the flow-through, which contains your purified exosomes. Your exosomes are now ready for any downstream applications. Exosomes that have been purified using this kit can be used in transmission electron microscopy, nanoparticle tracking analysis, Western blotting, liquid chromatography, mass spectroscopy, exosomal RNA purification, and more. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time at the bench.